This video will introduce you to a focused, creative and tireless method of working, studying, and researching. That is the Pomodoro Method, developed by Francesco Cirillo. The main contents include: 1. What is the Pomodoro Method? 2. Benefits of the Pomodoro Method. 3. Who is the Pomodoro Method suitable for? 4. How to apply the Pomodoro Method. 5. Principles of the Pomodoro Method. 6. Some apps support Pomodoro. 1. What is the Pomodoro Method? Pomodoro Method, aka Pomodoro Technique or Tomato Method, Italian. This method is designed to reduce distractions and improve work efficiency. The method also works for time management and tracking habits that have formed. Applying breaks during work and study helps people have time to rest and relax. After those rest periods, concentration on work will be enhanced. From there, maintain the motivation to work and towards the determination to complete the set plan. In 1980, while still a student, Francesco Cirillo, CEO of an Italian software company, noticed that his concentration often plummeted after a while, and after that, it was difficult for him to solve problems. Exercise. Then Francesco Cirillo came up with a solution to take short breaks between work sessions instead of working continuously for long periods. He suggests working, studying, with intense concentration for 25 minutes, then taking a short 5-minute break and starting a new 25-minute session. Each of these 25 minutes, Francesco Cirillo calls a Pomodoro. 2. Benefits of the Pomodoro Method. 1. Help focus on work, study, avoiding distractions and increasing concentration in work, research, and study are among the most prominent benefits of Pomodoro. Therefore, this method is also known as the Pomodoro Method of Concentration. 2. Track habits with the Pomodoro Method. With the Pomodoro Method, you can determine a specific time and plan to start and finish the work you have set out. By maintaining this method for a long time, you will be able to form habits in both work and life. 3. Other benefits: reduce stress at work, give yourself good motivation to complete the plan, improve awareness and effective problem-solving skills. 3. Who is the Pomodoro Method suitable for? The Pomodoro Method is suitable for developers, designers, and those who are working in the creative field, book writers, editors, software engineers, game programmers, application programmers, copywriters, reporters, content creators, script writers, journalists, students. However, that does not mean that Pomodoro cannot be used by people working in other fields. 4. How to apply the Pomodoro Method. Step 1. Choose the job you will do. Step 2. Set the time, usually 25 minutes. Step 3. Work until 25 minutes are up. Step 4. Rest for 5 minutes. Step 5. After the above 4 breaks, take a longer break with a time of 10 minutes, or 15 to 30 minutes depending on the work and strength of each person. One thing is for sure, when you are just starting, you will face a lot of difficulties. However, if you persist in applying it, you will see results. 5. Principles of the Pomodoro Method. 1. In one Pomodoro, 25 minutes process, 5 minutes break. If you are forced to interrupt, the Pomodoro will be recalculated from the beginning, not counting 1/2 or 2/3 Pomodoro. 2. Just focus on doing one thing 100% of the time. 3. If the work is completed before Pomodoro is finished, you need to use the remaining time to test and optimize the work until the end of Pomodoro. 4. During the rest periods, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you need to rest. Close your eyes, relax, listen to music, drink water, massage your head and face, meditate, arrange your desk, go for a walk in the office, or do simple things that don't require much thought. When resting, absolutely avoid anything related to the internet or Facebook, because they may stimulate your excitement, but nature still makes the brain more tired. 6. Some apps support Pomodoro. These apps provide you to set breaks and work time to help keep track of Pomodoro. 1. Websites /tomatotimer.com 2. Marinara Timer 3. To 94. Pomodoro 5. Simple Pomodoro, Android, 6. Focus time, iOS, 7. Wordless, in your phone. Applying the Pomodoro method will help you to work, study with focus, creativity, and tirelessness. Finally, it's important to remember that Pomodoro is a productivity optimization method, geared towards increasing focus and avoiding fatigue. Therefore, you can combine it with other techniques to gain greater control over everything in your life. Thanks for watching.